Screencast-O-Matic, now called ScreenPal, is a cloud-based video recording app that allows users to screencast or record video of their active computer screen, record video using their webcam, or both. As a high school band director who does not have any sectional time during which to access band students for technique development, problem-solve repertoire issues, etc., Screencast-O-Matic/ScreenPal can be a powerful tool used to supplement rehearsals through what I call video sectionals. A video sectional is something that could be created for any ensemble, at any level, and customized for any student using ScreenPal, a PDF file, or, as I prefer, a segment of a score or a part that has been entered into a notation software such as Sibelius, Finale, Noteflight, MuseScore, etc. After a repertoire issue has been identified, a video sectional can break down and analyze the specific repertoire segment and provide differentiated instruction and scaffolded solutions. For this example, I have taken an excerpt from the clarinet part of a band arrangement of music from Rogue One, A Star Wars Story. Using the simplest tools that ScreenPal has, just audio recording from my laptop's onboard mic and the draw tool, I could do a variety of things. For instance, I could point out to students potential pinky issues, such as the need to play these C sharps with the right pinkies and the Bs with their left pinkies. Or, perhaps more importantly, the necessity of using left pinky C in this run, since E flat precedes it. For potential issues crossing the break, I could emphasize these groups of notes and explain to students that they could hold down their right hand while playing all of them to prepare for the above the break notes, since the circled ones are throat tones. I could also bring attention to the flat signs above the trills and remind students to trill from G to A flat. I could also highlight the need for students to use alternate F sharp. And since I'm using a combination of screencasting and the webcam, I can also show them those fingerings discussed above, like left pinky C and alternate F sharp. I can also use the screencasting in combination with the notation software to operate a playback and practice tool by changing the metronome marking on the music and allowing multiple playbacks at different tempi, starting with the performance tempo. Slowing it down for practice purposes, and gradually working back toward performance tempo. ScreenPal also allows for editing videos post-recording. Aside from basic cutting and copying of video, options also include volume and speed manipulation, inserting existing or new videos and recordings, pauses of any duration, transitions, overlaying shapes or images like this, if, for example, I wanted to make a connection with students who are Pixar fans by highlighting that this particular composer also wrote the music for movies such as The Incredibles and Up. Editing tools also include narration over recorded video, which I have been doing for some time if you notice my mouth stopped moving once I began talking about post-recording editing. The ability to edit already recorded videos can also be a powerful feedback tool, as students could submit videos of themselves playing excerpts, assessments, etc., and directors could use ScreenPal to narrate, pause, and provide suggestions on the students' submissions. In sum, Screencast-O-Matic/ScreenPal is a powerful cloud-based video recording and editing tool that can not only supplement large ensemble-based instruction, but make instrumental music instruction viable virtually and/or over great distances.